Hi, I wanted to go over a few more tips about how to spring clean your Gmail. One of the things that I used to really like about Outlook was being able to sort by unread messages and sort by sender, is to be able to clean up, delete, archive emails a lot quicker. So I'm going to show you how to do those things here in Gmail. One of my first things that I do, you can choose in settings to sort with all your unread on top, but I was finding when I did that, I was losing emails a lot more often. So I don't want it like that all the time, but I do want the option if I get a lot of emails in a day to be able to sort and put all my unread in one spot so that I can go through them quickly. And to do that, instead of going into settings and changing the way it's set up, I just search for label colon unread and hit enter. That's going to give me all my unread emails all in one spot so I can go through them really quickly. And then when you're ready to be done with that, you just close out of your label, go back to your inbox, and we're back here. Um, so the next thing that I would like to show you, if you want to sort by sender, like I get a lot of just newsletter type things from Wakelet or from some other places, but I could find one that would, this computer science sends one out almost daily. So if I click on that and then I click these three dots and then click filter messages like these, it's going to come up with a filter. I'll hit search and it's going to come up with all of these emails that I don't really want to read all of them. I'm just going to go ahead and delete them or archive them. I can choose this archive. Archive removes it from your inbox but doesn't delete. Hitting the trash gets rid of them completely. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these and go back to my inbox. So now it looks like it's still there, but it's just waiting for me to click off of it. The next one, like I get a lot of emails from Mr. Brobiak, as we all do. Um, I'm going to search the same way, filter messages like these, search, and I'm not going to delete these. I just want to move them to an important place. I'm going to select them all, and I want to give them all a label. I'm going to create a new label, and I'm just going to write a label. It's going to put them all into that label, and then I'm going to go ahead and archive them, not delete them. That way it removes it from my inbox. As you saw, that inbox tag gets taken away. So when I go back to my inbox, when I click away from it, it's no longer there. But if I click over here in my boss label, they're all still there. So that's going to help me clean up my inbox. I might do that same thing with like announcements. I'm going to click the announcements from the high school, filter messages like these, hit search, and that was actually going to search for anything that got sent to certified staff at the high school. So I'm going to go through, look at them, keep the ones that I want, get rid of the ones that I don't. One thing that I would like to show you is if you get a lot of spam messages or messages that you're on a list for things to get newsletters, you can search for unsubscribe, and it's going to pick up all those newsletters from different places that you have the option to unsubscribe. So a lot of those are kind of spam-like things or things you can get rid of quickly. And then you used to have to scroll all the way to the bottom and then search for this unsubscribe. But a lot of these now have unsubscribe up here in the header. So if you just click on that, it'll actually unsubscribe you from that. And then you can move it to spam or archive it as you go. But I like to search for those types, unsubscribe labels, and get rid of all of those at one time. Hopefully this has helped you kind of manage your email. I know it was quick, so if you need help or would like some assistance going over this, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.